Hey everyone. So this is my improvement that I've been working on for my home wood shop. Maybe you're like me and you've got cases for bits, cases for Forstner bits, saw blades, Sawzall blades. I had 20 to 30 of these. I labeled them and I still had to hunt and peck through them to find exactly what I wanted. Well, no more. I didn't want to mess with that. I wanted to make everything I do in the wood shop lean. I want to be able to see where my tools are, I want to be able to grab them, and I want to be able to put them back. I built this out of FastPipe. Now I have the luxury of working at FastCap, so I have pretty easy access to these things. Cool about this is it's totally flexible. I took my time, I didn't try and do it all in one day or all in one weekend. I did it over the course of weeks because I wanted to make sure that it was exactly what I needed, not too much, not too little, and I was able to work out where everything would fit. So everything on here is completely flexible. I'm using Kaizen foam to hold the tools. I'm using wood to screw into, and if I don't like something, I've got screw holes here. I moved my glasses over here because it worked better over there. I've got Velcro to hold sandpaper. I've even got magnets on here. I've got magnets everywhere. I've got magnets holding up my markers. I've got magnets holding up my scissors. I want this thing to be able, I want to be able to look at it, see where my tool is, grab it and go. And if something's missing, I know it's missing and I know where to put it back when I find it. One of the things I thought about was glue. In a wood shop, I'm using glue all the time. I've got all my glue here, my brushes, paper towels, and as I'm talking to you right now, I think it would be cool to have some wet wipes attached somewhere on here. Don't want to overdo it, don't want to make it too busy, but it'd be nice to be able to wipe my hands and clean them up. The other thing I thought about too was you can spend a lot of money on organization, but there are little tricks that you can do that don't cost anything. So for example, I needed to find a way to hold my WD-40. We have these cardboard rolls that we would just throw away. It's perfect for my WD-40. It just slides right in there. Things like using scrap pieces of plywood. You can screw into it, you can paint it, and the scrap didn't cost me anything. And as you're building your mobile cart, like me, you're gonna find that you didn't think about something. So you may wanna add it down the road, just like the wet wipes. And so Kaizen foam is great because you can just punch a hole, add in another brush, you can cut into it, you can replace it if you really don't like it at all. It's just really important to continually think and continually improve as you're going through this. I got rid of all those cases. Sawzall blades are organized for wood and metal. Drill bits are organized for 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. As I roll it around, I even put things on here like zip ties. Always needing zip ties. So I was thinking about what are those things that I always need or things I don't need. Drills organized, and then I have air compressor down below, nail guns, nails, everything I need. Fun to be able to use your imagination. Think of it as a problem, a challenge that you want to improve and make better. And what I have found by having this cart, I can roll it around in the shop wherever I'm at. I never have to want or think, oh, where is that? It's right here. And what's also cool is I love to just have fun with this stuff. So what I did is I put a clipboard up here. Man, that'd be just a cool clipboard to mount somewhere. And I use magnets. And I've got a little note up here. You can put your detailed drawings, your shop plans. I put that I have a dentist appointment because I know I'm going to forget it. So that's a good thing to have. And then I have this little phone holder. It's a lot of fun. And the cool thing about FastPipe, I gotta tell you how much I love FastPipe and Kaizen foam and a lot of the organizational things. This isn't a sales pitch, but what I like about it is it's customizable to you. I'm 6'4". This cart is the perfect height for me. You might be a little bit shorter, you make the cart a little bit shorter. Enjoyed this. I would encourage you as a woodworker, metal worker, fabricator, whatever you're doing, gardener, think about how you can organize your tools, make your life easier, and have fun with it, and enjoy it.
Eyes. He's salivating over this stick. Oh, he got it. He's happy, and he's off.